Can I withdraw from my TSP to purchase gold without penalty? A step-by-step guide. Step 1. Know TSP rules. Understand IRS regulations for TSP withdrawals to avoid penalties. Step 2. Check eligibility. Ensure your situation and TSP policies allow for the withdrawal you need. Step 3. Explore TSP options. Look into TSP's investment choices. Gold might not be available directly. Step 4. Consult TSP guidelines. Directly ask TSP administrators about withdrawal rules and penalties. Step 5. Consider taxes. Remember, TSP withdrawals are taxed, and early ones may face penalties. Step 6. Look for alternatives. If TSP doesn't allow gold investment, consider other options like self-directed IRAs. Step 7. Think long-term. Align your investment choices with your retirement goals. Step 8. Get professional help. Financial advisors can guide you through TSP rules and investment decisions. Step 9. Be cautious. Prudence is key. Follow guidelines carefully to protect your retirement savings. Step 10. Monitor and adjust. Keep an eye on your investments and adjust as needed over time. Withdrawing from TSP for gold needs careful consideration. Follow the steps, adhere to rules, and seek advice for a smart decision. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.